Hello YouTube, it's me, Cash Baller again, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my Bissell Hardcore Expert, and I'm going to put 3 messes on the ground. We're going to see how well it picks up. And as you can see, I've already did another YouTube video earlier this morning, and so yeah, this is a great hardcore vacuum. And so yeah, we're going to be doing a review on it, and we're going to see how well it picks up these 3 messes. So I'm going to put down some fuzz and some Cheerios and some oats. 3 messes. So let's put them on the ground. See how well it picks up. So yeah. And see if you can see that on the ground. Okay, yeah, I'm sure you can probably see that. Here's the fuzz. I'm putting the fuzz on the ground. Okay. Now let's do the Cheerios. And we're gonna see how it picks up. Let's see, I need to plug this somewhere else because last time I tried something out in here, it blew the fuse, so let me go get something else. Let me go plug it in somewhere else, so I'll be right back. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'll be right back. Just give me a second. I'm back. I have it plugged in my sister's room. Okay, so let's set the camera right down. Let's see how it picks up. Okay. So let's see how well it picks up picking all these 3 messes. Cheerios, fuzz, and oats. Sorry about that. I didn't mean for that to happen. But I'm already done anyway, so let me unplug it and we'll see how much it picked up. Sorry about the camera falling. I actually knocked into the camera. I'll be right back. I'm back. See how much it picked up. I forget where to set the camera at. Yeah, there we go. Here's all that it picked up. It got all the fuzz and the Cheerios and the oats. Quaker oats. And Honey Nut Cheerios and fuzz from the dryer filter. Yeah, I picked up all that. You see that? See all that in there? And that's something. So, yeah. Isn't that cool? But this vacuum only has a 6-amp motor, but works pretty good for a 6-amp motor. And I have some filters of features to show you. So, just let me, give me a minute. Let me show you how the filters come out. Now, this vacuum does use filters. Hold on for a second. Let me get something to hold that. I don't have any sort of camera holder, so I have to find something to hold up. Okay, so you see this right here? You pull these two notches right over here, and that comes out. There's the filter. And you twist that like that. And this filter right here, this one comes out. That's pretty dirty. Oh, and here's a little foam filter right here. It's a little nice. then here is another filter. It has a little cyclone right here, and you take this part of the filter right here, and you turn it to the right to unlock, and this little cyclone filter comes out. And then you put it back in, like right up here, and you turn it to the left to lock into place. And you have to like make sure that's all the way in there. You have to make sure that this is closed all the way. Make sure it's completely sealed. And you slide the dirt cut back in like that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.